Welcome to Sewveryeasy. My name is Laura, and have you heard the news that I am moving from this sewing space to another space? Well, it is happening. I did plan on getting this done a lot quicker, but as in everybody else's life right now, COVID hit, and it was a standstill for over 3.5 months. But I thought I would give you an update as to what I have so far, and we are definitely getting a lot closer. Here is the space I'm going to move into. It is a basement, and a good portion of my basement. You can see that I have no walls, no ceilings, and a plain old cement cold floor. But the room is a big room. I have big lights, so it's going to be very handy. A bathroom in the hallway and a walk-in closet. Not that I'll be using that. And now we have some drywall going up. The drywall, of course, is a lot of work, and I can't wait for the dust to go away. And it does make a big difference already. And there I am, way in the corner in my desk. The drywall is only going to go on a portion of the ceiling. Some of it is going to be dropped ceiling. And there's my drywall guys and my ceiling guys and my husband. The painting is due to come in now. The drywall is done. The mudding is done. I was able to get all of that dust out of the room so that we can get that painting done. Had to move everything off of my desk, and it is already brightening up. It is going to be a really nice space when it gets done. The walls have been painted a light gray. The light gray will not pick up the colors of the fabric or reflect different colors onto the fabric. And I think it's going to have a nice calming effect. The windows still need to be done, and of course there I am in my desk. I have a little light bulb above me, and that's all we have. This project started over 11 months ago. But a lot of things have happened in the meanwhile, so things have really slowed down. But it is getting done, and it is going to be very nice to get in there. And I will be happy not to be able to work with just 2 lonely light bulbs. The ceiling is starting to get put in, but only a portion of it is going to be going in because I do need lighting done. And then COVID hit. So here I am for 3.5 months. Hallelujah, feet on a ladder, which means I'm getting more work done. Well, not me, it's my brother-in-law who is helping the lights go in, and my husband, of course, is always handy to help. So the lighting is going in. There's going to be a lot of pot lights, which is going to give us a lot of color. And that I am looking forward to. The floor is now going in, and it is a light stone color. I'm hoping the stone is going to also give a lot of reflection, and at the same time, maybe not show as many dust bunnies, but it definitely will be a lot easier to clean than a rug. You can see I had my quilt put up, and there was a desk way in the corner. So at some point soon, it looks like I'm going to be out and in to this space. We need some baseboards and some trim, and it won't be long now. The walls, lighting, floor has been done. The window trims are being done, and soon they're going to be painted and I can put some curtains up. I've had my good friends Dirk and Angela and my husband help me move in the furniture the other day. So now I need to get all of this out of the boxes and back on the shelf. It has been a long time coming, but I am looking forward to getting into this space. I have 2 things I have yet figured out. How is it that I've moved into a bigger space and for some reason I seem to have less room? And how did I get dirt in my hair? Some things we can just never explain. Stay tuned and we will get this sewing room done. And thank you for joining me today on Sewveryeasy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're working on next time. Bye for now.